Now, you see this beacon now? Okay. If you from this beacon now, go down, you see that mango tree? If you from that side now, go down. How many plot of land do you need?
7.
7 ba?
Okay, yes.
Chief, waiting there na 8 plots. But one no reach, but I want dash with that one. You understand? Now big man he be.
Okay.
The way you take trust.
The document now, tomorrow we'll go do
everything, C of O, P of O, all the thing where you need for this land day.
So how the payment? I will pay to your son now.
Yes, okay, the payment.
Yes.
Okay, come, Chief, we'll just wait for us. Come on. Come. And carry your own account. Give this man, make you send that money.
Which one they carry my own account? Me, we are John married, never enjoy. If they go arrest me now, you see, say that man, they talk about lawyer. Even they do as if you go call DSS, you want me to come carry me in idea, make I not even enjoy. I just marry you.
So how would my God? Who are they see so? Chief Mama, hey.
Okay, let me call back.
Hey, I got a blue one. It's a blue one. Hey, I'll call take an essay. I'll call no matter my Christmas don't start early. Hey, what the game? Chief, Casey, what are you looking for here?
I wanted to build a school.
Yes.
I miss your contact. So
yes.
I wanted to purchase this land.
Which land?
Build this one.
These are people's land now. Who can you come here? Who won't say this land?
Two guys. The other
people. I know these guys now, scammers they be now. That's what one a gardener. You know when Jesus come here, because it's a flower they cut. The other one, a security uniform the wear, so not be this one wear blue. I go over. You know, she said they run. That is them be now. I told you supposed to know me now. Be legit ambassador for DWAY Estate. For DWAY City Estate. Legit land. Anywhere Ali Bo Wala Buru Buru. Ichena Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, River State, including Delta, and Yoma, and there. Legit land. Plots of land, all the affordable and the flexible for payment. And you say at school you won't build. Oh boy, Akuruno. That's the initiative we have been planning since. That every of our sons should come back home and invest home. We say this is legit. No, leave these people. Make we come out here before kidnappers go. Let's go, please. Hey, Jesus, my commissioner. My son. Hey.